For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix missing file privileges on Steam. To do that, in the taskbar, go click the arrow button, then right-click the Steam icon and press Exit Steam. Next, go to the search bar and search for Steam and run as administrator. After you open it, go and click the Steam icon at the top, then click Settings. In this area, go to the Downloads tab, then select your download region. The app will require you to restart now or restart later. After that, click the Clear Download Cache, then click Confirm. When it is done, close the window, then go to the library. Choose any game you want and right-click on it, then select Properties. Go to Installed Files, then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. After that, just close the window, go click Any Games, and by this, you can now play, and that's simply it. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.